cows right outside our caravan. Oh my goodness, he's coming right to the chair. Welcome back, and a shout out to our new subscribers. In this episode, we explore the Coffs Harbour area and check out some more Hipcamps. We find an amazing rock pool and get visits from all sorts of friendly creatures. So we had to squeeze through this tiny little gateway.
A bit hairy, wasn't it?
And then we had to come across this sketchy little bridge.
Yeah, that one, that bridge over there we had to go up. No, okay.
Tripping around, going to little Hipcamps, which is different for us. We usually find camping spots on wiki camps, but there's some gorgeous little places out here. The sketchy bridge we had to drive over, which is what are we in total, 5 tonne, Gibbo? Yeah. So you can explain what you're growing again.
Lychees. So basically they start picking about Australia Day, and if they time it really well and you time it with the Chinese New Year, you make an absolute fortune.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Nice. But it's a pain to pick them.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
These are magnificent. Oh, yeah, put the brown paper bag around to ripen them up. Yeah. Good idea.
They're huge.
That might ripen up for you. So keep that in your van in the bag.
Yeah.
And then when it starts to get a little bit soft, she should be good.
Should be ready.
Oh,
Thanks very much. That's great.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Surrounded in hills. Very nice hosts at the Farmstay, Coffs Harbour. So we had a look around the property. They're growing bananas and lychees and mango, and they are huge.
Check this out.
Check that out.
And he gave it to us.
Yeah.
No, beautiful people.
Yeah, lovely.
Fantastic place to stay.
Yeah. If you do come here, let the host show you where the water hole is.
This is what I love about caravans. It can rain as much as it wants.
Yeah. Look at that coming in.
Yeah.
The only thing we're worried about is getting bogged in this.
Yep. Too much rain, we won't get out. That's what I said.
They're inquisitive, aren't
They sure are.
they? You can go now.
Oh,
Off you go.
just checking out our swimming hole, are you now?
The big waterfall. Alrighty.
Neither one of us like cold water. We're soaked. We just spoke to the girls that left. They said it's colder than yesterday.
Oh, you got a big rock there. Oh, that's a good one. I'm coming over there. It's worse for you. Oh my God. Yeah?
Come on, you can do it. Oh no. Oh, that was glamorous. So is this their waterfall they're talking about?
I would say so.
Yeah, and it actually is a little waterfall.
Yeah.
Swimming hole with waterfall.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? This would have to be our best Hipcamp yet?
Yes, our best Hipcamp and closest to my favourite town so far on the east coast.
Oh, Sawtell is beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous little town.
Much prefer it than Coffs Harbour.
Oh, yeah, don't even bother about Coffs Harbour.
No, it's just chockers and
it's just commercial, nothing.
Well, maybe we missed something there, but Sawtell's just really sort of only a tiny little place. It's just got cafes and everything you need. You just feel relaxed.
Yep, it's one just laid back little street, like you say, filled with cafes, beautiful hotel pub.
Yeah, the hotel's really nice. We've had some ripper places, we found some ripper places, haven't we?
Yeah.
Great.
And even the, I'm not too sure if we videoed it, the cafe on the beach today at Sawtell. It was nice because you're up.
Probably didn't.
No, you're up high and a big lawned area in front of you, and a walk downwards onto the beach.
What I love about this one, besides having all this, they only have that whole area we got. They only have one camper in there at a time.
Yeah, yeah.
So you've got that whole area
to yourself.
It's unbelievable.
And
we should have stayed longer, hadn't we? We didn't have the other one already pre-booked. Another couple of days here would have been beautiful.
Yeah. And the cows are very friendly, aren't they, Gibbo? So
too friendly.
Don't give them food, as in like the owner said, oh, they'll eat anything. So I threw them some lettuce and tomato.
You did.
I did, and they just all come in, and we thought, oh well, that's enough. We'll go inside because we're just encouraging them. And next minute they've bumped the caravan.
Bang! What?
So I go running out, making noise,
and all I could hear was a stampede. They're all taking off. Yeah, I was expecting a bit of damage when I heard the bang.
Yeah, I think they've just knocked the drawbar
or something. Yeah.
Because I noticed your hitch was on an angle, unless that's the way it was when you.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you at our next destination.
Yeah.
Look at all the stars out, no doubt I'm loving this time of year. Someone's got a guitar out, whoa now, this is getting kinda weird. It's like a scene from a picture frame. Girl, I swear it would be the same if you were here. It was a night like this, summer around a Saturday, moonshine, good times, hanging off the tailgate.
I'd like to know, hey?
Yeah. They're very friendly, apparently. I hope so. We're being followed. At least they can't bump the van, do they? Like the cows.
Yeah. That's all I was worried about. Damn.
We've got a pretty little spot here, next to the water with all the lilies. Oh, we've got a spot on the other side facing the forest.
This is pretty too, isn't it? This is quite a nice spot too, ain't you?
Yeah, the other side's more cooling, I think. Alright, we are all set up. A couple of campers up there. Well, we've chosen to park up here because it's a gorgeous view. Look at that. And the way we've parked the caravan, it feels like we're on our own a little bit. You relaxing again, Gibbo?
Yeah, mate. That's what I'm here for.
So where are we?
We're at Coffs Harbour and camping 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. Nice little spot.
But you can't 4-wheel drive here.
Yeah, well this is the weird part. You can't 4-wheel drive here. They advertise swimming, but we're yet to find out where.
Yeah, I'm confused with the 4-wheel drive part. But
yeah. But anyway.
But it's a nice little spot.
Yeah. We haven't met the owner yet, but we'll catch up with her a bit later. Joining in my video editing. You can't wait to see it, can you? Well, just hang on. Might be another month before it comes out. You just have to be patient and wait.
Got a visitor, haven't you?
Pretty cool.
Someone's video editing.
Yes.
Get the next episode going.
Hard at work.
Albino peacock. I've never seen one before.
No.
Hey, friendly little bugger too, look.
Wow. It'd be gorgeous if he opened up his feathers, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah. Wow.
Steak and veggies for tea tonight. Oh my god, that looks so good. You're not getting any, Gibbo?
Exactly.
It's a beautiful scenic drive up a windy forest road to check out the Forest Sky Pier. It's only a 10-minute drive from Coffs Harbour. Oh, what? Gorgeous views of the Coffs Harbour area. There's a coffee van here, and if you're keen, you can do a forest walk or do the tree climbing challenge. Isn't it?
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. We had a ball at the Farmstays.
It was actually fun, wasn't it? Just
Oh.
for something different. Yeah, it's a lot different to wiki camps, which sometimes can be very overcrowded. And I really enjoyed them.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing a lot more, I think.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
Farmstays are great.
Yeah.
Thanks to Hipcamps, we wouldn't have found them. Yeah, and we love our wiki camps, but we find so much more of the Farmstays on the Hipcamps. I think you've got to have a whole pile of different apps sometimes to find that one special place.
Yeah, yeah. And check the reviews though, just in case. You know, our expectations on one of them is we thought it had a bit more than what was there. So
it was still
check
good
your
though.
reviews. Oh, we still loved it. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it was a great spot.
Gorgeous. Yeah, and in a good location.
Yeah.
It's all about location and just sitting back, relaxing in a beautiful setting. So yeah, we loved it. Highly recommend it.
Beautiful.
See you in the next one.
Bye.